next thing I want to make sure of is when I'm designing this building, okay, I've got this truss, my building is this length. Remember when we looked at that building painting and decorating, there was actually a spacing between those portal frames, and we didn't actually measure it, but I suggested that it was about 6 metres. When we do the portal frames for this building, they might be between 6 and 8 metres wide. We're not sure. They could be different, but what I'm going to do is a quick measure here. So I'm going to measure from this part. I measure my building. I get 74 metres. Divide that by 8. 7 eighths, 56. So no, that's more. 72. 8 nines are 72. 9 trusses. Okay. So I could put 9 copies in it and make it 10. Alright. So I'm going to grab this guy and I'll go move, multiply. I want 9 copies. This time I'm going to be dragging it, 9 copies, and it'll be a distribution because I want it equally spaced. Pick it from that point. Oops. What did I do wrong? That was right. Move, multiply, click distribution. From that point. Mind you, the roof's going to leak, of course, because the 1 degree pitch. But we've got our building. And then I'm almost there. The next thing I want to do is put a roof on it. So in pure modelling terms, I go to my roof tool and I'm going to do a very, very simple flat pitch roof on this. My home story is not going to be round. Actually, I'm going to set that later. Set that later. The angle of this 1.11 degrees. It's too flat. And I'll press OK. Now remember, I'm just drawing one piece of roof here, so I need to go into this geometry method, which is single plane. And this is going to be the rectangle that I want. So the first line that I draw is a springing point. This roof's going to start on the inside of that wall. That, and then the eyeball asks me for the upward slope. Well, we know that that's sloping down, so I'm going to put my click on this side, and then the next thing it asks me is draw your roof. So I'm going to click once, and I'm going to click here, and that's giving me a bit of a roof, and then I can take that edge and put it where it should be, over there. Now, I know the height of this is going to be a disaster. So I'm just going to my section, open that up. And yes, it's a bit of a disaster. What happened to the angle of that? It should have been 1.1 degree. So let's give it an angle, and I'm just lifting this up. That's my roof sitting on the. I haven't put the purlins in, of course. Last thing I'll do is what? I want to trim that wall, don't I? Yeah. So this is just a quick revision. How do I trim that wall with this roof? Anyone can tell me? Trim the roof, yes. So what command is that? Right mouse click. Yeah, right click, thank you. So pick this guy. Right mouse click, crop to single plane roof, crop the top. Being one single wall, by the way, I could also set this to the highest point, which is fun. So we can change the height of that wall now if I do that. Let's just try that, shall we? So let's cut that wall. So now that wall, if we select it, it didn't change the height because it wasn't all cropped. It's still a little bit there. If that roof was out here, it would have. Anyway. There we go. We've got a little warehouse. Not really, we've got a box. But that's pretty much the start of what we do in this project. Any questions? I'm going to show you anything else. Take your time. Put the trees in. Sure. Okay. Go to the object tool. We want to put the trees in. We go to visualization, site improvements, garden. Now there's two types of trees here, as you probably worked out last time. There's these trees which say tree model detail, and there's these trees that show you some grey shadows. Now, the ones that are 3D are these, and the ones that are for the final rendering are these. And the difference is that these are much prettier. They're actually based on real pictures.